Hi friends, it's Miss Logan here today for kindergarten math. Today for math, what you will need is paper, a pencil, or a whiteboard and a marker. Click pause so you can go get paper and a pencil or a whiteboard and a marker. When you're ready to go, click play. Today for math, we are going to be listening to a story problem. It's kind of like what we do for CGI. I'm going to read the problem 3 times. Then I want you to say the problem in your own words. We're going to draw a picture to solve the problem. We're going to write a number sentence to show our work, and we're going to challenge ourselves to put it into a number bond. Don't worry, after we're done doing the problem, I'm going to walk you through how I would do it. So let's get ready to turn our listening ears on as Miss Logan reads the problem 3 times. You can make a picture in your brain as I'm reading the problem. I want you to imagine it in your head. I had some candy. 5 pieces were circle-shaped and 3 pieces were square-shaped. How many pieces of candy do I have? Listen again. I had some candy. 5 pieces were circle-shaped and 3 pieces were square-shaped. How many pieces of candy do I have? One more time, then you're going to say it in your own words. I had some candy. 5 pieces were circle-shaped and 3 pieces were square-shaped. How many pieces of candy do I have? Click pause and say it in your own words. Now, I want you to try to draw a picture of what the story problem said. I'm going to put the problem up here so you can see it again. Draw a picture to solve. Click pause while you are solving the problem. Remember, we are also going to put it into a number sentence and a number bond, like we've been working on. Okay, Miss Logan is going to show you how I would do it. Make sure you've tried it by yourself before you watch how I would do it. All right, my friends, remember that our problem said that I had some candy. 5 pieces were circle-shaped and 3 pieces were square-shaped. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my 2 groups. So I remember the problem said 5 pieces were circle-shaped. So I'm going to draw those 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to double check my work. Go back, go back, go back, and count again. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. My drawing is correct. I'm going to write the number 5 next to this group so I remember how many are there. I also remember that the problem said that 3 pieces were square-shaped. So I'm going to draw 3 pieces square-shaped. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's okay if your drawing is not perfect. Let's go back, go back, go back, and count again. 1, 2, 3. So I have my 2 groups shown. I have a group of 5 and I have a group of 3. But my problem was asking me, how many pieces of candy do I have? So in order to figure out how many I have all together, what do we have to do? We have to count all of them. We have to count all of my pieces of candy. So I'm going to count how many I have all together. I'm going to cross off to show that I'm counting each piece. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to check my work and count one more time. Go back, go back. Go back and count again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do I have all together? 8. You're right. We have 8 pieces of candy all together. So here's my drawing. The next step is to write it in a number sentence. I have to decide if this is an addition problem or a subtraction problem. Am I taking anything away? No, I'm not taking anything away. Am I putting 2 groups together? Yes, I'm putting two groups together. So that must mean we are adding. Show me what symbol we use when we are adding with your arms. Good, the plus sign. When we're adding, we use our plus sign. So the first thing I need to do is I need to figure out what my two parts are. I have my first group here, which is a group of 5. So that's my first number I'm going to write in my number sentence. 5. Go ahead and write 5 if you don't have it on your paper. Then I'm putting two groups together. So we decided we're using what symbol? The plus sign. Here we go. We're using the plus sign. Plus. Oh, here's my other group right here. What number is that? 3. Good. 5 plus 3. What's that symbol that we use to show how many all together? Show me with your arms. It's the equal sign. We use the equal sign. All right, I'm going to put the equal sign here. And now we have to show them how many we had all together. We already did that work. We counted how many pieces of candy we have all together, and that number was 8. Good job. It was 8. So I'm going to write an 8 here. Let's read the number sentence together. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 5 plus 3 equals 8. Great job. Now we're going to challenge ourselves to add it to a number bond. This is something we've been working on lately. I remember a number bond has a spot for the whole and a spot for the two parts. Say whole, whole, part, part. So in my two parts, I have to put my two groups. Our two groups were 5 and 3. So I'm going to write those in my parts. Go ahead and try to write a number bond, just like Miss Logan did. We have our two parts. We have a group of 5 and we have a group of 3. I wonder what goes in the whole. What do you think goes in the whole? 8. 8 goes in the whole because that is how many pieces of candy I had all together. Give yourself a pat on the back for working so hard on this math problem. We're going to be doing more number bonds and word problems each day. So make sure you tune in and make sure that you keep on practicing, drawing labels with your pictures, putting them into a number bond, and writing a number sentence. Great work today, Kipsters. See you soon.